There is a plane behind me. Hey guys! Welcome to another episode of She Travels, and this is one of my summer vlogs. And I am in Hong Kong right now, and I'm so excited. I'm on these long pathway thingy. I don't know what they're called, but I always love it when I ride these things. I'm going to go and play around in Hong Kong for this one day, and I'm just so excited. So yeah, I'm happy that you can come with me on my journey, and yeah, hope you guys stay with me. This is awesome! I've never been to Hong Kong before. This is my first ever solo travel, so I'm really excited, even though it's just for a day, but I love it here. This is so cool. We're going to the Star Ferry Harbor tour now, and I'm gonna take a ride on the famous Star Ferry and take a look at Hong Kong's amazing view. So yeah. Famous landmarks here in Hong Kong, like the highest point, like the place where you can see like the whole city, and it's supposed to be really beautiful there, but I'm not sure because the weather is quite cloudy. But nevertheless, we're gonna go there. So look at this. This is amazingly crazy and crowded, and yeah. I'm super excited, so let's go get a ticket. Finally, after a long wait of lines, I am finally on the peak, and this is amazing. Like, you have to see this view. Okay, ready? Ready? Let's do this. So this is called IPQ booth. It's basically where you can write whatever you want on a piece of hard paper and put it on the heart. That's it. Mine. Look who's here! Okay, apparently people here are the best. They're like the smartest people ever, because they have like a future postcard program, which is you write your postcard today, but it gets sent in 2015, like, and you get to pick the dates on when it's going to be sent. That is awesome. So what I did is I bought 3 postcards for me and 2 of my friends, and I'm going to pick a day on when to send them. February. I think I'm gonna choose 11th, so it might arrive on the 14th.